I guess to do another Ocean Soul retreat was really exciting, and I really love yoga and the healthy eating, and I think freediving is really beautiful, and to incorporate yoga and sailing around the Komodo Islands, it's amazing. I'm Holly McDonald and I am from Western Australia. This is my third retreat with Ocean Soul. The one thing about Ocean Soul is that when you come on one of these retreats, you are nurtured and cared for, and you are challenged, and you learn so much about yourself, and in this beautiful environment with all these beautiful people that are going through different or similar things, and you know, everybody is supportive and open, and it's a really lovely environment. So we wake up quite early and do a morning yoga with the rising sun, which is the most amazing way to start a day. The freediving has been amazing. You know, not only are you going to these amazing limits, the reefs that we're freediving over are beautiful, you know, and we just had an incredible experience with manta rays today playing with us, and it was really, really spectacular. And you have not wasted a single moment, you know, you've made the most of every second that you have, and that's a beautiful feeling. Don't hold back. Come and do it. You won't regret it. You can't regret it. It's a beautiful way to gift yourself something that you'll remember for the rest of your life.